Comment of the week. Thank you, Viola Brown. You guys check out her channel. So today we are going to be reviewing this Modelones Acrylic kit. Now when you first see it, it comes in this really cute little pouch. When you open it, inside there is a little dapping dish. Also, you get some nail forms in case you wanted to sculpt out your acrylic nails. Then it also comes with a 12 brush, a number 12 brush. Now I'm not sure if this is the same number 12 as any other number 12 brush. I feel like I usually see them a little bit thicker, but I could be wrong. Honestly, I don't know anything about acrylic, so yes, that is a number 12 brush. And then the kit comes with 3 different shades of purple acrylic, and this is the violet kit. And inside you also get some little cards just giving you like little deals off of their products, which is really nice because you guys obviously know nail stuff gets a little expensive sometimes, so it's nice that they are offering a few discounts, so that is really cool. And I am showing you guys the colors. Now this is really pretty. It's like a lavender color, then it's like a kind of like magenta purple, and then a traditional purple. And of course the kit comes with acrylic liquid. It is a 1.7 fluid ounce container. And now you guys, I'm kind of just prepping the brush a little bit. It was a little bent out of shape, which is okay because obviously when you do acrylic you were kind of bending it back so the way that you want it, so it's okay. So the first color is number 33, and this is that traditional purple, and this is like a fine glitter inside of like a clear acrylic powder base. And for number 32, that's that more kind of like magenta fuchsia colored glitter. I think that's the color you call it. And last but not least, it is number 31, which was my favorite color out of this whole entire kit, and that is like a really pretty like soft lavender color, very cool toned, very perfect for winter. So yes guys, that is what the colors all look like. And I wanted to insert a clip of me just kind of adding more to this color because I can't lie, the purple was pretty, but I am not a huge fan of just fine clear glitters, so I wanted to add a little bit more dimension to this powder. So you guys can see I added some hollow glitter, I added some like kind of white glitter with a purple reflect, and then I also added some chunky like confetti style glitter. And this definitely made it look a little bit, you know, just a little bit, have a little bit more depth to it, which I really liked. I liked the color by itself before, but this definitely was really pretty to me. You see, look how pretty that looks. So I already have my tips on, and I have them buffed shine free. And guys, I don't know why I'm explaining this to you because this is not a tutorial. You guys know I don't really know how to do acrylic, and I can't lie about it anymore. I told you guys I need to practice, but I have not practiced, okay? The 2 times I have practiced doing acrylic, I have filmed. I just don't have as much time anymore to practice doing like acrylic. It's just very strong, and like it really stinks up my house, and it takes a little too long for me. You guys know I'm a gel girl, so gel is like instant and I love it. So but Modelones sent me this kit to review, and honestly you guys, Modelones make some really good products. They are very amazing company. Now I am obviously not being paid to say that, they just sent me the kit to review, but I have to say their customer service is like impeccable. They are so sweet. So of course, even though you guys know I am not really good at acrylic, I want to say I'm not like knowledgeable, but I've seen enough videos. I know exactly what I do wrong when it comes to acrylic. I just don't know how not to do it, and that's the problem. So you know, I wanted to still do this video and pretty much show you guys that yes, even if you're a beginner and say you are not good at doing acrylic, you can still get a decently good result out of it. one of my tips, even though I am really not I'm not a pro and I don't think I'm actually able to give out tips when it comes to acrylic, but one tip I will say is just try to work in thin layers if you can. And I'm saying that because, you know, sometimes when I've done acrylic in the past, I have created like really big bulky nails and they have not been easy to shape, and they've been very frustrating because you guys know acrylic is very stubborn, it's very hard, and sometimes it can be hard to file, so especially without a nail drill. So yeah, just try to work in thin layers and not put too much acrylic on your nails. But yeah, guys, you guys will see I am kind of just trash at applying acrylic. I'm not gonna lie about it. I haven't practiced and I don't feel comfortable trying to teach you how to do acrylic when I myself do not know how to do acrylic very well. So yeah, I think if I do acrylic in the future, which I mean, mind you, I have the products, so I think I will. If I do it in the future, I think I'm just gonna try it with the dual forms again, because that way, if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go watch that video. But dual forms are just the easiest way to do acrylic nails. You don't really have to know how to do the shaping and, well, I mean, not the shaping. You don't have to know how to like do the beads too much because it all works out. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then definitely go watch that video. But yeah, you guys can see I don't know what I'm doing. It's sad because I honestly, like, every time I sit down to do acrylic, I feel so confident, and then after that first nail, I'm just like, welp, that didn't go as planned. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I have some good news. I'm probably not going to reveal it in this video, but I do have some good news going on in my life, which is why I have not really been filming as much. Not because I don't want to, because I promise you I want to film like every day. I just can't film as much as I used to. My filming schedule is pretty much I kind of upload on the weekends, and I'm still planning to do so, but now my weekends are like my only free time, so I'm really gonna try to film like 2 to 3 videos over the weekend, so that way you guys have a video like in the beginning of the week and you guys also have a video on the weekend. So yes, my schedule is going to change, but for the better. Don't worry, just because I have something new going on does not mean that I'm going to abandon you guys at all, because I've really grown to love filming videos, and I've really grown to like just love just meeting new people on YouTube and talking to people and being able to be helpful and answer questions and have people answer my questions. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna try to maybe at least have a few more videos than I usually would. So yes. Okay guys, and I realized that my problem with acrylic is that I am not good at the like liquid to powder ratio. I think that if I practice more, I'll definitely get it down packed, but I think because I don't practice like enough, I think that's why I am doing so poorly at doing it. But I know that's my issue, you guys. I really do. That's why I was like, you know what, I can't even post this with people thinking it's gonna be a tutorial, because this is a mess. Like, going through this footage, I was just like, Christina, what are you doing, girl? Like, you're not good at acrylic. What are you doing? But either way, I still feel like the nails turned out really pretty in the end. I don't know how. Like, I literally was like, it's a Christmas miracle, because you guys, clearly you can tell in this video, I don't know what the hell I am doing, and it just looks stupid. But I didn't want to film a video and then not post it, and also I don't want you guys to think that I'm perfect. I know that you guys probably already can tell I'm not perfect, but I don't want you guys to think that I think that I'm perfect and I'm too good to post my mistakes or post my flaws. Like, no, I can be transparent sometimes, and I can tell you, like, you can see for yourself. You can see that I am not good at doing acrylic. So yeah, this is actually what they look like after they were all done, and honestly, it's not terrible. And this is what they look like after I shaped them. Now, I was stunned. They looked so good. So I went ahead and put a layer of matte top coat on these nails that I'm doing the designs on. And the cool thing about doing these snowflake nails is it's literally just about counts. So I know that I do 5 across, I do 5 diagonal, and I do 5 on the other diagonal, and then I think I do 4 in the middle. But yes, this was super simple to do these little snowflakes. And guys, I did use those little brushes that I got from my last Amazon haul. If you guys have not watched that, definitely go watch that because I got a lot of good stuff. But yeah, so that's what I went ahead and used, and I absolutely loved these brushes and dotting tools for doing designs. It made it so freaking easy. Like, look at how good this is. And I know they're not probably the most beautiful snowflakes you've ever seen. This was literally my first time trying to do snowflake nails, so I plan on doing some more. Hopefully they get better. But yeah, so once you go ahead and put acrylic on top of those before curing, you just cure that in the lamp, and then now you've got little, like, almost 3D snowflake nails. So I'm taking my matte top coat again, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint my pinky nail because I want to do some snowflakes on this finger, but I want to make this one look like my thumb though. So as you guys can see, I've got some white gel polish, and I'm just doing my counts. Just doing a dot and counting it and making sure I have the right amount of dots, and it comes out perfect. And guys, sorry if you hear anything in the background. I guess my boyfriend decided that it was a good time to take a phone call. So yeah, hopefully it's not too distracting. Okay, so once I did my snowflakes, I'm just taking that white glitter from earlier, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it on top. And then I'm gonna cure my lamp for 60 seconds and brush off the excess glitter. And once that's done, I'm taking my rhinestone glue, and if you watched my last video, you know that I told you guys that I had cured it in the lamp, and that is what it looks like. I literally had it in front of my nail lamp for literally, I swear, like a second, and then it went ahead and just cured the top layer. I definitely would not recommend putting in a brush like the one I showed, like a natural haired brush, into this kind of gel because it is a very weird like feeling. So definitely grab like a gel brush, or even just like I showed, a dotting tool. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take my regular top coat right on top of that rhinestone glue, and you guys can see where I kind of didn't get the best results with my snowflake nails, because the ones that have the snowflakes encapsulated, just because you can't really see it a whole bunch. I mean, you can see it, it's just that like it's not as much as you'd want it to be. I don't know, but yeah guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some crystals. I'm so gassed. I actually went to Michael's and bought some Swarovskis. These are not them, but the ones that are like in the middle, those are them, and they're gorgeous. I cannot wait to use them. The only sad thing is that like I don't want to put them on nails that I'm about to like have for like 2 days, so I probably won't use them very often just because they were a little expensive. Not crazy, they were a little expensive though, and I want to use those for like a nice, really pretty set that I'm gonna wear for a while. So yes, I really liked how these turned out. Alright, and after those are done, I love how they turned out. Like, I just went ahead and applied that Burano cuticle oil, but yes, you guys, look how pretty this turned out. I highly recommend the kit. It's super expensive. It's literally like $14, and you get a huge bottle of monomer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video.